Getting all excited, are
Taxi, link here. Thank you.
Makes it a force to be feared. With 9, be sure to conquer InvadR yourself and claim eternal glory.
There's InvadR, ladies and gentlemen. Will the train goes underneath it? Right next to our water ride, Love Loop, and Elfin Guys roller coaster.
Hello. For you kids, Land of the Dragons is a magical play area.
Wait, can you hold this? Because I have to go to the bathroom. I got it.
It's going to be so different than anything else we have at Busch Gardens.
We have over 30 coasters in all of our parks combined. And this is the only one like this.
It's not Apollo's Chariot, it's not Elfin Guys. This is going to be just a very unique ride for us.
It's just non-stop that.